Well, welcome to Wisdom Wednesday. This is Jeanne Gomm, and we are outside of the glass studio today. But it's such a beautiful day, and you'll probably hear the birds making noise, but that's just part of the experience. So I wanted to show you something today that I've been accumulating some pieces that, you know, when they're broken, but they're so beautiful that you can't throw them away. And so I've been thinking, all right, let's see if I can glue them together with some E6000 glue. I've used it on other things, glass to glass, and it's worked pretty well. So I thought, okay, I'm just gonna give it a try. So I did give it a try. Now this is a cake holder, or whatever, I guess, cupcakes, cakes, whatever. And there, if you can see, was a big crack. It just cracked it right in half. And so this glass was just so lovely. I thought, well, if I put a doily on top of it after I glue, it'll be good as new. We can still use it. So I used this E6000, just held it together, put it upside down for a while so that it would cure. And it's great. I love it. And now this can be used again.
Now, where did you get that from?
Well, I've accumulated these from different sources. I believe a couple of these were from an estate sale that I went on. So amazing to go to estate sales and find treasures, you know, and some of the things that, you know, you can get at a really great price. But if they're broken, you can even make a deal if you think, I can glue that. So yeah, I got a lot of fun things at some estate sales, also at some antique stores. So many places where you can go and find amazing glass. Also, I wanted to show you this one. This is a rose from our front garden, and I wanted to show you this because I glued, and it just, I think it goes like right about there. This whole chunk was out. I glued it together. You can't even really tell, and I wanted you to know it holds water, ladies and gentlemen. And there you have it, proof. And so we can put that back in there. So lovely, because it holds water. Yes. Okay. Now I also found this Stein. Can I just tell you, this was kind of an interesting thing. So there was this little corridor in the estate, and I was helping to clean up after this one to get it all ready for the sale. And there were lots of Steins like this, but they were on the floor, and there were rugs piled on top of them. I had to take away rugs to kind of move things out of the way to get to the floor, and there were lots of these. Some were broken, some were all together, but just laying there, and I thought, this is so sad. So I brought one home because I felt sad for it, and I do think that most of the pieces are here. You know, so we'll see here. So I'm going to use my E6000 for our little wisdom for the day, and I am going to just put some right along the break. Okay. There we go. And I already can see that there's going to be some chips that are missing. That's okay. I'm not planning to drink out of this or anything. It's just going to be a decoration. All right, how does this go? You know what? I'm going to put a little bit on this side too. So I'm not sure how exactly it fits together. All right, let's do this. This looks like it goes right over here. All right. Okay. The picture matches up. We're just right there. Okay. All right, we got this. Let's do the other side. Okay, that's the top. So, goodness, we've got a hot rod nearby. And I was thinking it was only the birds that were gonna make noise. Okay, let's see how we are gonna do this. Oh, you know, it's good, except, yep, there are some pieces missing. But what we've got here is really going well. So this is the side that must have been, you know, under all those rugs. Those little pieces didn't quite make it. That's too bad. But, you know, you can decorate with this. You turn it this way. Who's gonna know? So, just wanted to let you know that we use E6000 for different things. Oh, let me tell you about this vase. So, oh, and you have to see the inside. It is so pretty. And just the colors of this vase were amazing. So, we had a friend give us this vase and said, well, can you fix it? Because there is a crack. And we said, you know what? That crack is gonna grow. It just is inevitable, and there's really nothing that we can do about it because it's cracked. The only thing that we could do is wait till it breaks, and then we can glue it back together. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna enjoy this. She says, oh, it's cracked, I don't want it, you can have it. I'm thinking, okay, done deal. And so there's some things like that just have a crack. You know what? Just treat it like it's part of the personality of the piece. Treat it like it's part of the character. We have character flaws, so does glass. And you know what? I bet there are not very many of the old windows that you see that don't have a crack somewhere. I can betcha. So thank you for being with me today for this Wisdom Wednesday, this beautiful, lovely, summery day. I hope you have a wonderful day today. Join me next time for our Wisdom Wednesday, and it was good to have you here. Thank you.